and we're going to get started right away. Make sure one last time you have that file loaded. Everybody's ready? Okay, here we go. I'm going to do a countdown from 5. And at 1, everybody press play, and let's let the experiment begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, good people of Edmonton. My name is Edward, and I'll be your omnipotent voice today. Just follow my instructions, and we'll all have a happy time. I can see you all down there in Churchill Square. Look up, way up. Look at the sky and wave to me. Hello? Yell, hello, Edward. Hello, my friends. Thank you. It's nice to see you all gathered together today. I feel all warm and happy inside. Give yourself a hug. You give the best hugs. Now look to your left. Now look to your right. Turn around in a circle and look all around you. There are lots of people participating today. Shake hands with a stranger and say, how do you do? Hello, how are you doing? Nice to meet you. Did you get a new haircut? Looking good. It's always nice to meet some new friends. We like to bring people together. Let's play a warm-up game. Have you heard of Simon Says? Let's play Edward Says. If I say Edward says jump up and down, you should jump up and down. But if I don't say Edward Says, first, don't do anything. Let's try it. Edward says touch your toes. Quite the stretch. Edward says touch your nose. It's still there. Edward says tickle your armpits. Edward says hula dance. To be in Hawaii. Jump up and down. Hey, I didn't say Edward says. Edward says look at City Hall and clap. How many syllables in pyramid? Edward says say hello to Mayor Mandel. Edward says salute the CBC. Thanks for the news. Edward says turn towards the library and cheer. Edward says throw your hands up in the air. Wave them around like you just don't care. I didn't say Edward says. Well done, my friends. Excellent warm-up. I have a secret. Did you know that aside from being an omnipotent voice, I have a day job? That's right. I work for the library, the Edmonton Public Library. It's the greatest place in the world to work. You may be wondering why the Edmonton Public Library has brought us all here today. We have one main purpose today, to spread the words. Say it with me. Spread the words. Say it again. Spread the words. Think of some of your favorite silly words. I like the words hootenanny, nincompoop, crocodile, hoity-toity, fizzle, onomatopoeia. Words are so much fun. Meow. As you think of your funny word, crouch down into a ball. Rock back and forth a few times, and then jump up and yell a fun word. Do it again, and again. It's like a giant popping dictionary. Everybody turn to face north in the City Hall. Look up, way up to the clock tower. Where's the tick-tock? Did you know that this is called the Friendship Tower? It's 61.4 meters high. That's pretty big. But you know what's even bigger? The Edmonton Public Library. That's because we are bigger than our buildings. Put your hand on your chest and sway back and forth. At EPL, we're all over town, all over the internet, in the hearts and souls of the good people of Edmonton, and everywhere. We have over 14 million visits to our branches and website per year. and that's only just over 780,000 people in Edmonton. We're bigger than our buildings. Let's pretend to be really big. Throw your hands in the air. Reach up, high, higher, higher. Jump as high as you can. Again. Now reach down low. While your hands are down there, let's swing them as if we were all grandfather clocks and our hands are the pendulum. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Let's say the rhyme hickory dickory dock together. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Again. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory. That reminds me of barbecues. It's almost that time of year for barbecues. Rub your tummy and say, You know where you can find some great barbecue dishes? Nashville, Tennessee. That's right, Nashville. You may be thinking about country music, but Nashville is also famously known, or maybe infamously known, for being one of Edmonton's sister cities. Let's turn towards the library and yell to our southern neighbors, "Howdy, partner," on the count of 3. Ready? Tip your cowboy hat, and 1, 2, 3. Howdy, partner. Great job. I think that was loud enough to reach Nashville. Did you know Harbin, China, is another one of our sister cities? Harbin is the 10th largest city in China and is known for its ice and snow sculpture festival, its Russian influences, and fashion. Let's greet our sister city. Turn to the west, that's the CBC side, and let's all wave and yell, "Ni hao." We may have to yell louder to get across the Pacific Ocean. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ni hao. Good job. It just takes a little know-how. Let's turn around 100 degrees so we're facing east. Look hard, focus. You're going to need your super-duper vision now. Pretend to put on your special vision goggles. If we look past the wind spear, past the flat fields of Saskatchewan, and past the Great Lakes, we can see Hull, Quebec, another sister city. Let's all yell a bonjour to our friends out there in Hull. Bonjour. Lovely. We're so cosmopolitan here in Edmonton. Can you say cafe au lait? Speaking of cosmopolitan, look to your left at the new art gallery of Alberta. It's a beautiful space, though I think it needs a few more statues. Maybe we can help. Everyone move into a funny...